Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger at once, in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, from the Facebook homepage, open Messenger. Here you'll see all your chats. If you try to select any chat, you'll notice it doesn't allow you to select all chats for delete. So to enable this option, tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option Report a Technical Problem. Tap on it. Then tap on Report. Messenger will take a screenshot of your settings, but you can delete it by tapping the cross icon. Now in the text box, type, "Hello Facebook Messenger team. I want to delete my all conversations including all messages. Help me to delete at once. Waiting for your response." After typing this, tap on the send option at the top right corner. Now you just have to wait for a response from the Facebook Messenger team. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.